Hi, I'm Jamie from Luceco Group. We're here today in Kinver to meet Jack from JRC Electrical, who's going to be installing one of our new BG SyncEV car chargers. I would like now to introduce you to Jack, who's going to explain the installation for today.
Yo, so I am Jack from JRC Electrical, as Jamie said. Today we're going to be installing a 7.5 kilowatt car charger. We've chosen this brand to go with because we're happy with all of BG and Luceco's other products, their smart products, everything like that. And also because it's got the 7.5 metre tethered charger lead. We've chose to install it obviously because there's block paving down here. We're going to be installing it on the wall, and the 7.5 metre will reach perfectly to where the car's located.
So as you can see, the installation is all complete by Jack and the team today. So Jack, first time installing the SyncEV BG tethered unit. How did it go?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I can't fault it at all. You can tell that a lot of thought's gone into the design of the product, from the look of it, which is obviously really important. It's stuck on the side of your house, you want it to look nice, to the installation. Everything's been made, I think, to make it easy for us to install, from the push fit connectors once you've wired it in, push in, your lead pushes in, your CT clamps is push fit in the back of that, and it also comes with the Wagos to connect on the CT end. So yeah, perfect. I really like this as well. I think that's a really good feature, that the holster holds it in perfectly tight. It's not going to fall out. Yeah, brilliant. If this was fitted somewhere else, and obviously we needed different scenarios, such as not tethered or things like that, or if there's poor signal on the Wi-Fi, which you do get in different properties, what other products is there out there that you do?
Well, this model today has Wi-Fi and 4G. If your Wi-Fi is poor, there's the 4G model, as we have here today also. If not, there's just the Wi-Fi model. But then also you can go straight through the unit and actually plug in just using Ethernet as well, just for hard wiring. So that would be just plug and play option. If you do have an end user that doesn't want a tethered unit, we also do a socket version also. So again, the socket version looks slightly different to this model, but it's still nice and sleek looking. And then as a manufacturer, we do provide the EV cables to plug and play myself
Awesome.
also.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for sending it out and providing it just to install today. Obviously, we're really happy with it. No faults at all. Fast installation, looks nice. What more do you want?
Was the installation as quick and easy as you thought it was going to be?
I did think it'd take a bit longer, to be fair. I didn't know, obviously, about the push fit connectors and things like that, but everything's been thought about, even down to scanning QR codes to get videos of installations up on your phone. It all helps, it all speeds the process up so you can just get in and out. It's nice, really happy.
Yeah, it looks great on the wall, nice sleek looking, and the end user is very happy with it also today.
Really happy, yeah, thank you.
So that's it, that wraps it up for today. So you can see a nice, great installation here by Jack and the whole team at JRC Electrical. If you enjoyed this video today, please tap on the like button and leave any comments below. To find out further information of all the EV products that we manufacture, please visit our website on syncev.co.uk. Just like to say a big thank you again to JRC. If you've enjoyed the installation video Jack has produced today, please go to his YouTube channel on JRC Electrical. Over and out.